Good morning, Falcons.
Columbine Line presents Red Ribbon Week through the dates of
October 24th to the 28th.
And that week we'll be having a school spirit week.
It's Monday. Hat Day.
What are you doing?
Tuesday. Anything but backpack day. It's Wednesday. We're all Red Day. It's Drug Prevention Day.
On Thursday, Fantasyland.
It's Friday!
It's Twin Day.
We'll be asking you to decorate your door with anti-drug slogans and statements, but also some pictures as well if you want. And the winner will be chosen that Friday.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be teaching you how to make a paper mirage. So, okay, we messed up, but we're just gonna show you anyway. Cut it horizontally, like long way.
It should look a little something like this. So after you have it like this, you're gonna fold it in half,
then fold
it across, and then you're gonna fold it in half like that one more time.
It should look like this. Then you want to get your pencil. Then you're gonna draw a pumpkin, and we'll show you. Make sure you draw like this side. And make sure when you draw your pumpkin, the mouth has to be big.
So after you're done, your pumpkin should look a little something like this.
Yeah.
And then after you're done, you're gonna go ahead and cut it. So I'm gonna show you how to exactly cut it. You're gonna cut it alongside this right here. So when you go to cut out the eye, you want to cut. You want to make sure to cut across so you can get to the eye part.
And your thing should come out like something like this, you know. But it's really hard to cut, so just
Yeah, so your pumpkin should come out like a little something like this. Could look a little better, but that's how we show you how to make a Halloween decoration for Halloween. Thanks for watching our video and have a wonderful day.
Bye.